In 1932, the Australian military declared war on emus and lost. Number 5. 20,000 emus invaded farmland, eating all the crops. Desperate farmers begged the government for help. So Australia sent in the army with machine guns to exterminate the birds. Number 4. The soldiers had 2 Lois machine guns and 10,000 rounds of ammunition. How hard could it be to kill some birds? Turns out, impossible. Emus can run 30 miles per hour and zigzag like they're dodging bullets, because they were dodging bullets. Number 3. After 1 week of battle, soldiers had fired thousands of rounds, but killed less than 50 emus. The birds learned to scatter when they heard gunfire. They even posted lookout emus who warned the flock. The emus were using military tactics. Number 2. The commander admitted defeat and withdrew his forces. Newspapers mocked the military worldwide. Headlines read, "Emus win war against Australia." The government was so embarrassed they denied the emus had won. But the emus were still eating crops and the army was gone. Number 1. The Great Emu War proved machine guns don't work on fast-moving gorilla birds. Australia eventually solved the problem with fencers and bounty hunters, not military force. To this day, Australia is the only country in history to lose a war against flightless birds. Have you heard of the Great Emu War? Comment below.